So today we're going to answer the question, can you make pizza in an air fryer? First, we're going to take out some pizza dough, which I made a couple of days ago. Then we're going to form that into a ball, about a 2-inch ball. We'll flatten it out. Then we'll roll it with a rolling pin, and it sticks, so we're going to have to add a little flour to the rolling pin. And we're going to try to make this fit my pan, which is an 8x8 square pan. I've got the pan in the air fryer preheating because I want this pizza dough to crust up as quickly as they can. Had a little trouble getting it in the pan. This is just normal pizza dough. There's nothing special about this one. Now, this is an important step right here. You need to poke a bunch of holes in it. The first time I tried this, I did not, and I had a pizza crust that was about 4 inches thick. Just a big dough balloon. So if you punch holes all the way through, it lets the gases out. Then I put it in the microwave for about 3 or 4 minutes, and now it's back, and we're going to turn it over because the purpose of this is to brown the top, which then becomes the bottom. Otherwise, the bottom crust does not get crispy at all. And we start adding ingredients. This particular pizza sauce is the best I've ever found. I'm a little fussy about my pizzas, so bear with me a few minutes while I add my ingredients that not every pizza purist is going to agree with. This is pizza mixed cheese. It's mozzarella and cheddar, and it's more cheddar than mozzarella because I really don't like mozzarella all that much. You can add as little or as much as you like. I tend to go a little bit on the scant side. And this one's just going to be a plain pepperoni pizza, nothing else on it, just cheese and pepperoni. After that's all nice and even, then we're going to put it back in the air fryer for 7 or 8 minutes. So yes, you can make a pizza in an air fryer, but it's not as good and it doesn't save any time. I wouldn't do it again. Thanks for watching.